So I got something in the mail today. I did a sale at Thinkgeek.com, which is moving. They're not going to be in business for very much longer. So they had a 50% off everything sale, and so I got something. It just came in the mail today, and I'm really stoked to share it with you. I've never done an unboxing before, but I thought, how fun would that be? So I wanted to share with you what I got. Take a look at what we're about to do. I'm so excited. I'm very excited. All right, let me set everything up and we'll be right back. So here we go. We have the Princess 16-piece dinnerware set, and this is what's supposed to be inside of it. Okay, so each side just kind of just shows what it is, and here's where it kind of breaks it down on exactly what it is. Open. There's no tape on this or anything, and I haven't untaped anything. Let's get this open. Alright, so inside we have these 3 boxes. I'm going to assume that these 2 are plates and these ones are the cups and saucers. So let's open one up. I'm going to move the box out of the way. And then we got this guy. So this is going to be one of the plate sets, I think. So let's see. I'm so worried about these being damaged. Like, I'm so worried. Oh, I have it upside down. Looks like you can undo both sides, which I totally did. And then, I don't know why I did both sides, but I'm now mad at myself. Pull them out. Ooh, jeez. That was scary. Alright, so here we have one of the plates. This is from the Cinderella collection. Although it has like, looks like Big Ben, it just says midnight. So this is the Cinderella one. It's like the back is white and this side is kind of a paley blue. I really like it. Ooh, so these are just the smaller plates. So this is the Jasmine one. So it's, you know, Aladdin. It's purple. It's really nice purple. It's kind of closer to a lavender, and you can see the gold kind of reflecting. What's next what we got? Ooh! So here's the Cinderella big plate. I like it because it goes from like a darker blue to like a lighter blue. That's really pretty. I'm gonna guess this is the Jasmine one too, yeah. So this is the Jasmine one. And those 2. Wow, it's just so pretty. Alright, so then I'm going to restack these and put them back in their holders. This is another of the boxes that has the plates in it. I'm going to do the same thing. And again, it looks like I got them upside down, but that's okay. Because now I know what they are. I can kind of figure it out. Okay, so. Ooh. Here we have Ariel's, and Ariel's is definitely more of like a seafoam green, which I really dig. It's a true seafoam too. Oh wow, I didn't see this one online. This is Belle's small plate with Belle's castle. I thought this was Sleeping Beauty castle just by how the turrets looked. But no, this is Belle, and the yellow on this is really similar to her dress yellow, which is almost like somewhere between like a goldenrod and like a banana yellow. It's kind of pale. It's weird. Not quite a mustard or anything like that. And here's Ariel's large plate. So it goes from the seafoam into the white, just like the other plates do. And here's Belle's. I really love that they have that on both. Oh, I love these. I'm so happy I got them. These were gifted to me by my mom. I had just like plaintively thrown out there to a messenger to her saying, oh my god, these are on sale. Please buy them for me. So she sent me some money, and and she bought them for me. This is a smaller box. So there's 2 boxes in here. So let me get out both. I'm going to assume that these are the mugs because these are way more heavy. So there's actually 2 more boxes. And that is all. These are going to be a little bit more interesting, I think, because I do have to take off both. It's just industrial tape holding all of these things on. The packaging on the inside is actually pretty nice because I don't feel like I'm like gonna immediately break everything just by touching it. Oh! So here is one of the mugs. It's Belle's mug. And then we have Ariel's mug. And Cinderella's mug. Now you guys know how I am about mugs. Like, see how I have my 3 fingers in it? It's got a nice shape. This shape of the mug, they're not perfectly center. They're not perfectly round. They're all a little bit off. But it's not too off to really like drive me crazy. Although it could be. I'm gonna be real that I am a little sensitive to that. Yeah. So far, that box came out real easy. Let's see how the second one goes. Now, I'm not even certain what's in the second one other than 1 mug and then something else. I don't remember what was in the set. Oh, bowls! Well, last mug. Jasmine's mug. Oh. Then we have bowls. That's why it was so flippin' heavy. These bowls are huge. So here we have, Cinderella's. This is Cinderella's bowl. These things are huge. See how big this thing is? Face. Here's a hand size inside of them. I do have large hands, so that's part of it. These are great bowls, though. I am really excited to use these. And here's Jasmine's. So you have both of the insignias. This is really great. And then we have Belle's. When these are all put out on the table, it'll look so nice. I feel like this is like my fine china now. we have some china that was bought first for our wedding. But we don't want to take any of that out until we get a better kitchen to do it in. Or dining room. That'd be great if we got a dining room. And here's Ariel's, of course. Yeah, super pretty. I am super stoked with this. I'm very happy. Thank you guys so much for watching that. How do you think I did? I have no idea how good it was. So let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more unboxings in the future for some like the kind of random stuff that we're able to afford or get. And yeah, I hope I did it well enough for you guys. I did see when I looked back at some of the footage that I was a little bit out of frame for most of it. I was wearing these the whole time, by the way. So you couldn't really see me, but yeah. Let me know how I did and how you guys would like to see things in the future. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching again, and we'll see you guys on our next adventure.